This video will be helpful to you if you have a dog with medical condition involving her front legs and needs to be prevented from licking or chewing the area. To make this protection, you can use tights, leggings, long johns, or long nylon socks. Choose narrow ones that fit tightly or children's sizes. They will be less bulky for the dog. Here's the right leg shown in the previous photo. A is the length of the dog from the middle of the shoulders to the middle of the chest. B is the length from the top of the foot to the tip of the elbow. Leave about 2 inches on the top to allow for error. You can always cut that off later. Place the legging on the dog and safety pin where you will sew. Sew or tape the top ends together. Avoid using the safety pins permanently as they will poke the dog when laying on their side or back. Cut off excess material. You'll also need an 8-inch soft tie and 2 pieces of Velcro 2.5 times the circumference of your dog's ankle. You can also use vet wrap in place of the Velcro. Avoid using elastics on the ankles as you risk cutting off circulation to the paws. Place the opening over the dog's head and feeder. Gather up the leg. Put your hand through. Take the dog's paw and guide it through the hole. Pull the legging up and over the elbow and feed your dog. Take care around the injury. Here's Jessie wearing 1 and wearing 2. For some dogs, it will feel odd, so give the dog a chance to walk around with it on. And no laughing. Feed the dog more treats. Next, wrap the Velcro in place. Fold excess material over and place one end of the Velcro on the fold. When you wrap the rest of the Velcro around, it will hold it in place more easily. Feed when finished. Keep building that positive association. Wrap the Velcro snugly above the dew claw but below the pad at the back of the leg. If the material has a cuff, wrap the Velcro above that too. These tips will help keep it in place. Tying the 2 legs together at the top prevents the dog from getting out of it. Use a double bow to keep the tie in place. Dogs can easily get out of one of the leggings, so use 2, even if only one leg is injured. Ask for some simple behaviors from the dog to distract her at first. Do many quick but calm ones and reward between each trick.
Yes.
Use fewer treats by asking for several tricks in a row.
Yes.
This is a great time to teach your dog to hold a trick for long periods of time. Down, nose touch, and chin rest are ideal. See my crate rest video for other ideas.
Good girl. Nicely done. Touch hold. Yes.
Later on, give the dog a stuffed Kong or bone. Or a dried bowl to lick. This keeps the dog busy and also starts making a positive association with wearing it. A chew toy or puzzle helps too. Here Jessie is sound asleep with it on. Here's the next morning. You can see how it shifts down and gets sloppy with wear. It is helpful to have at least 2 sets, so you don't have to wash them every day. Here the Velcro has slid down over her dew claw. See where my index finger is? It's best to remove the Velcro, pull the material up, and be careful to avoid snagging the dew claw. Snugly rewrap the Velcro as before. I would love to see videos of your dog wearing this. Subscribe and submit your video as a response to mine.